If you're curious about Polymer DSPM for AI and whether it's worth your time, here are 7 crucial things you need to know. And trust me, number 7 alone might change how you manage AI data forever. You can try this software completely free from the first link in the description. And if you're in AI, data science, or cybersecurity, you're going to want to see what this tool can actually do. Stick around, because I'll explain how Polymer is changing the game with DSPM and why it's not just another flashy AI tool, but something that actually matters for protecting your AI workflows. Polymer DSPM for AI is a data security posture management platform. In simple terms, it helps you find and fix security risks in your AI pipelines fast. Think sensitive data exposure, shadow AI usage, or unmonitored LLM activity. Polymer identifies and secures it automatically. It integrates directly with apps like Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, and more to give you real-time visibility into where data is flowing and who's touching it. One of the standout features is how Polymer focuses specifically on AI data risks. It doesn't just do generic scans. It understands LLMs like ChatGPT and flags when sensitive data is being fed into them or when prompts are leaking compliance-critical information. If you're deploying AI internally or across teams, this is essential. Another thing, Polymer doesn't just tell you there's a problem, it auto-remediates. That means it can redact sensitive information from AI inputs, restrict risky prompt behavior, or even block access if compliance rules are violated. You set the policy, and it handles enforcement without slowing your team down. What I like most, you don't need a massive security team to use it. The UI is clean, and it's built for fast deployment. You connect your environments, define your risk zones, and Polymer starts monitoring and alerting in under an hour. And it supports enterprise-grade compliance standards like HIPAA, SOC 2, and GDPR right out of the box. Now here's something most people miss. Polymer also protects against shadow AI, those tools your team installs without telling it. It can detect and assess usage of unsanctioned AI platforms, giving you full control over your AI stack before something goes wrong. Lastly, Polymer gives you detailed analytics and real-time dashboards that show you exactly how your data is interacting with AI, what's being shared, how often, and where risks are spiking. This isn't just protection, it's insight. So if you're handling sensitive data or deploying AI models across teams, Polymer DSPM for AI isn't just helpful, it's critical. The software is evolving fast, and the free trial linked below is the best way to see if it fits your tech stack. And if you're serious about AI tools, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares in the description below. Tools I personally vetted after testing thousands of platforms. Try them free and see which one transforms your workflow next. Thanks for watching.